Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a web link button in a fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my fillable PDF form and I will create here a web link. Now set this form option already selected and here you will find this OK button. Click here. Now drag on mouse cursor, select box and press right button and select properties dialog box and properties dialog box pass go appearance option. You can add border style and fill color, text size, auto or custom and text color you can change with this color and fill color and remove color and this option. Type your link, type name such as YouTube and this action and this link name now showing here. I click on this down arrow and this is open a web link. Now select add and type your URL name creative.com. Now select OK and close and select hand option. Now click on this link and select allow and see this web link now OK. Yeah, this is in this way you can create web link button on your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.